Hare Krishna. So today we are on the last verse in this entire section, wherein Krishna describes the concept and the characteristics of soul to Arjuna. We started the discussion back in the 12th verse of the second chapter, and now 18 verses have gone, and this is the last verse which describes the concept of soul. So what does Krishna say in conclusion of this concept? We have the 30th shloka of the second chapter. Dehi nitya avadhyoyam dehe sarvasya bharata tasmat sarvani bhutani natvam shochitum arhasi. Krishna says Dehi. So if we remember, long time back we had started the concept of soul with Deha and Dehi, Sharira and Shariri. Deha is body, Dehi is someone who is making the body mobile. Sharira is body, and Shariri is somebody who is making the body mobile, which is Atma. So Krishna says Dehi Nitya Avadhyah. So the soul or you, my dear Arjuna, is Nitya, is eternal, Avadhya. Even if you want to kill it, you can't kill it. Why Krishna is using the word Avadhya? Vadha means to destroy. Who does destruction? Destruction is done by Kshatriyas. So Kshatriyas are meant for destroying for religious principles, not for sense gratification. So Krishna says Dehi is Nitya and Avadhyah. Dehe Sarvasya Bharata. Not only human beings, even every single tiny bacteria has the same soul, and it is Avadhyah. So we see here the concept of only human beings have a soul. No, even animals have a soul. Any body that goes through 6 transformations, we have discussed this previously: birth, growth, maintenance, byproducts, dwindling and death, is definitely having soul. So even amongst animals there is soul. We see as late as 15th century or 16th century also, the Western theologians believed that animals don't have soul. What to speak of animals, even women don't have soul. Yes. The Vedas have been so pristine, they know everyone has soul. We have goddesses, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Parvati, who have been heading the most important departments. Who says women are not respected in Vedic society? The 3 most important departments, home department, education department and finance department, are with ladies. Home Minister of the entire Universal Administration is Durga Devi. Finance Minister of the entire Universal Administration is Lakshmi Devi. And Education Minister of the entire Universal Administration is Saraswati. So we have, since eternality, we have respected and known that everywhere there is concept of soul. Nitya Sarvagataha. So Krishna, ahead we will see how on the concept of soul there is eternality expressed. Krishna says ahead in Bhagavad Gita, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Shunichaiva Shvapakecha Pandita Samadarshina. So he says on the concept of knowledge, Vidya and Vinaya Sampanna, one who has knowledge and one who has Namrata. He sees a Brahmana, a cow, an elephant, a dog and even a dog eater on the same platform. There is no difference. Panditah Samadarshina. One who sees everyone as the soul is actually an intelligent man. Krishna says, Sarva yoneshu kaunteyah murtayah sambhavantiyah tasam brahma mahadiyonir aham bija pradah pita. Krishna himself is declaring that of all yonis, of all 84 lakh species of life, I am the original seed giving father. So how can we say only human beings have soul? No, everyone is essentially a minute part and parcel of Krishna. And Krishna says this is Nityah Avadhyah. Whatever happens to this body, body must die, body must deteriorate. उसे ज़्यादा लेके मत बैठो, ये होना ही है. This knowledge is so important because as we see, everyone at some point of time is young, but in due course of time there comes mid-age, in due course of time there comes old age. So unless this knowledge is there, only on the platform of knowledge can we liberate ourselves from the entire suffering of birth and death. Till we remain hovering on mental platform, it is just impossible. It is impossible. So knowledge of Bhagavad Gita and Shastras is so important. And the most important concept of this entire series, the soul, is introduced by Krishna in the last 18 verses. Tomorrow onwards, Krishna will be speaking on Dharma. Do stay with us. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna